Hi, today I would like to show you make money with free airdrops, 100% lazy to earn money online without investment. So this video is going to be awesome. I'm going to show you a trusted and 100% lazy site that you can use to get free airdrops, and you just participate it, and there is a big chance you will earn a decent amount of money every month. I'm going to reveal it right now without wasting any more of your time. I'm going to show you the site that we are talking about is called, yes, coinmarketcap.com. Yes, this is coinmarketcap.com. You may heard it or not, but if you learned about crypto, if you know about anything about crypto, you may heard this site's coinmarketcap, because this is the right now is the top ranked #1 site right now with crypto, and this is a really real-time status of all the cryptocurrencies that are exchanging, that are running in the markets, and then the upcoming news, the upcoming cryptocurrencies that are ready to launch, and all the news, all the hypes, all the ups and downs about cryptocurrency, you can find it in coinmarketcap.com. So this is a really awesome website to go, and this is a really 100% legit and trusted website to go for and make money. So how we can make money? Yes, we are using make money by free airdrops. So we are looking for to these websites, and you can see that all the currencies that are really hot, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, all the currencies are listed there, and they are saying the status, the price, current price, and ups and downs, all the trading history can be found in CoinMarketplace, and these are all trusted and real values, real informations of all the current market prices of all the cryptocurrencies. So if you just want to watch all these currencies, whether it's going to up or down, you predict, or you analyze, or you want to know more about the analysis of experts, crypto experts, you can watch these videos and you can go through these prices, you can go through these movements. But we are interested in make money online, right? So without wasting any more of your time, if you just simply go through the list, you cannot see anything. But if you look into the menu, you can see that there are cryptocurrencies, exchanges, NFT, portfolio, watch lists, calendars. So we are interested in calendars here. So this is the menu. If you just click on calendar, you can see that it says free airdrop. So if you click on that, it will load this page, which is the free airdrop page of CoinMarketCap. So if you go through this list, you can see that there are two lists there: ongoing airdrops and upcoming airdrops. So these are the airdrops that are currently running, and the upcoming airdrops are not yet launched to participate. So you have to wait this amount of time, like 3 days, 4 days, 5 days time, and you can participate into these airdrops as well. So how this is going to work? So if you scroll down, you can see that view all 10 ongoing airdrops. If you click on that, it will load all the running airdrops that are free. Obviously, you do not need to invest any money. Are going to be listed here. You can see how many days it's left to end these airdrops, and so on and so forth. So if you just click on any airdrops, for example, if I click on Bit2Me, it will load the airdrops page like this, and you can see that the airdrops current price, the the token current price is 4 cent, more than 4 cent. So if you just get some Bit2Me, then you are good to go with this. So you can see, you can scroll down, you can see, learn more about these airdrops, how these airdrops is performing, and how they are going to pay the price. So how to participate, you can read these instructions, and the prices are there. You can see there are golden, diamond, and silver, and golden and diamond also requires some referral or investment. But if you participate in the silver lottery, you can see that these are free to participate, and you can earn like $2,500 for the first winner. Second winner can earn $1,500 of tokens, and the third winner can get $1,000. So this is a big opportunity for you. So if you scroll down, what are the requirements? You can see that the mandatory requirements here, these are the mandatory requirements, and these are extra optional requirements. So you can see the mandatory requirements is then going to take you like 10 to 20 minutes of your work. So why? You can see that add B2M to watch lists on CoinMarketCap, that can be done. Follow their Twitter account, the both of their Twitter account, and subscribe to their YouTube channel, and then join their Telegram Spanish and English group, and then you just add your MetaMask ERC20 wallet, and then copy and paste a link to this Twitter link to retweet it. That's it. You are done. You are now a participant to this lottery, and you can win up to $2,500 of B2Me tokens if after they end this. So it's left 6 days right now, it's left, so you can participate. No money required. It's a free opportunity to earn a decent amount of money. So you may ask, it's a lottery, you can win or not, but let me think in the broad way. So if you just go over to this page, and you can see that all the listed cryptocurrency, upcoming cryptocurrency airdrops, you can see that this is not the end. You will get like hundreds of lotteries every month. So if in a month basis you work on all the free airdrops, you participate on all the free airdrops, my experience is that you will make money 1 or 2 or 3. Most of the people are winning on at least 3 to 4 airdrops every month, and making like $1,000 every month without any problem. So this is the catch here. You work regularly. You cannot work with 1 or 2 airdrops and you expect $100,000 or $1,000 to earn. You have to work regularly. You have to make an Excel spreadsheet so that you can track all the airdrops you have participated and left, and then you do not left any free airdrops goals. So simply participate on all the airdrops. You check regularly on CoinMarketCap. You check on upcoming airdrops. You go to the upcoming airdrops and see the upcoming airdrops, and you wait for it, and when it launches you just participate it. That's it. That's the case. You just spend 30 minutes every day to check and participate on all the airdrops, and that's it. It's 30 minutes every day. After a month, I'm sure you will find it. One of my friends is earning this way like $500 every month without any hassles, without any investment. So why not? You cannot do that. You just simply go through all the list, all the running airdrops, and keep track on an Excel spreadsheet so that you can track whether you have participated or not. Then you just let it go, and then if after some times you will see that you are winning like lots of you. If you're lucky, you can win much more than your expectations, and 2 to 3 winning is really possible every month if you participate on all the airdrops daily. So if you do that, you can is easily earning like $500, around $500 every month without any problem, just spending 30 minutes every day. So this is the catch. This is the make money online with airdrops method in this video. If you're liking this method, please hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos daily. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well and thanks for watching.